Good morning, students. Have a nice day. So, in our last class, we have just discussed about a few problems that is about equations reducible to linear form. Right now, so today we are going to discuss about a few word problems which are based on that concept, that is reducing equation to linear form. Right now, so let us discuss. So, students, look at here. Here the question is, first question is, the numerator of a rational number, the numerator of a rational number is less than its denominator by 3 if the numerator becomes 3 times and denominator is increased by 20, the new number becomes 1 by 8. Right now, find the rational number. Rational number क्या है निकालना है हमें. So before going to solve this number, first of all we have to understand the question properly. Right now, then we can solve the number. So what the question is about? Here read the first statement, that is the numerator of a rational number. एक रैशनल नंबर का, रैशनल नंबर किसे कहते हैं? जो भी नंबर p by q फॉर्म में रहता है, where q is not equal to 0, that type of numbers can be called as a rational number. Right now, so here the first statement is the numerator of a rational number. एक रैशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन इट्स डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3. उसका डिनोमिनेटर से कितना छोटा है? 3 कम है. सो एच यू डू नॉट नो द न्यूमरेटर्स एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन और रैशनल नंबर, सो वी विल टेक द न्यूमरेटर एच एक्स. राइट नाउ, and if we take the numerator hx, you know the denominator is greater than the numerator by 3, so the denominator will be x plus 3. Right now, so come to the next statement. If the numerator becomes 3 times, at first the numerator is x, and if it becomes 3 times, then it will be 3x, and the denominator is increased by 20. At first the denominator is x plus 3, and if it is increased by 20, again we will add 20 to it, then the new number will becomes 1 by 8, the number which is formed after this, and that value of the number is 1 by 8. Find the rational number. So we have to find that rational number. So let us start. Here the solution. First of all, let us assume, let us the numerator of the rational number vx. If the numerator of the rational number be x, then the denominator will be x plus 3 as per the question, because it is written here the numerator of the fraction is less than the denominator by 3. So if the numerator is x, then the denominator will be x plus 3. Right now, if numerator is x and denominator is x plus 3, then what will be the fraction or rational number? So the rational number is numerator by denominator. Numerator is x, y denominator, that is x plus 3. Here it is the rational number. Again it is written here, if the numerator becomes 3 times, according to the question, if the numerator becomes 3 times, here it is the numerator, if it is 3 times of x, that is 3x, and denominator is increased by 20, here it is the denominator x plus 3, if it is increased by 20, again we will add 20 to it, so we will get the new number, and the value of new number will be 1 by 8. So according to the question, 3x by x plus 3 plus 20 is equal to 1 by 8. Right now, in the next step, what will happen? 3x by x plus 20 plus 3, it is 23, is equal to, here it is 1 by 8. Now we will reduce it into linear form. How can we reduce it? just multiply the numerator of the fraction which is in the left hand side to the denominator of the fraction which is in the right hand side, and let's multiply the denominator of the fraction which is in the left hand side to the numerator of the fraction which is in the right hand side. Right now क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इसको क्या कहते हैं, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. राइट नाउ 3x into 8, 3x into 8, here we will multiply 3x into 8 and again we will multiply x plus 23 into 1. As you know that any number which is multiplied with 1 will get the same number. So in the left hand side 8 3 is 24x and in the right side we will get x plus 23. Right now if we transpose x to the left hand side it will minus, so 24x minus x, here it is 23, and you know that 24x minus x, it is 23x is equal to 23. Again if we transpose 23 to the right hand side, what will happen, it will divide. X is equal to 23 divided by 23 and we will get 1. Here the value of x is equal to 1, but our question is that find the rational number, find the rational number. H, you know that h we have taken the rational number h, x by x plus 3, and what will be the rational number, rational number is equal to x by x plus 3 is equal to, in place of x we will write 1 as we have got, and x plus 3 it will be 1 plus 3. Right now so we will get 1 plus 3, it is 4, 1 by 4, that fraction is 1 by 4. Here our answer is 1 by 4, the rational number is 1 by 4. So we can write the answer part, hence the rational number is 1 by 4. Right now so students, let us discuss another question which is based on ages. Right now so here it is written, at first read the question carefully. Present ages of Anu and Raj, the present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5, and 8 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Right now so you know that the present ages of Anu and Raj, उसका रेशियो दिया गया है 4:5, but we do not know their present, actually their present ages, so we will take their present ages as 4x and 5x, 4x and 5x, and if we divide 4x by 5x we will get 4 by 5, so it is 4:5. Right now so that we will just take their present ages as 4x and 5x. Right now so let's start solution. So here we will write the present age of, let's the present age of Anu and Raj v 4x and 5x respectively. Right now 8 years from now, 8 years from now, it means 8 year hence, 8 साल के बाद दोनों का रेशियो कितना होगा, एजेस का रेशियो 5:6. सो आफ्टर 8 years और 8 years फ्रॉम नाउ, आफ्टर 8 years दोनों का एज कितना होगा पहले निकाल लेते हैं. द एज ऑफ अनु will be, at first it is the present age is 4x, and after 8 years we'll add 8 to its present age, so the age of Anu will be 4x plus 8 years, 4x plus 8 years, and the age of Raj will be, at first the present age of Raj is 5x years, and after 8 years we'll add 8 to 5x, so the age of Raj will be 5x plus 8 years. ठीक है. So according to the question, here it is written 8 years from now, 8 साल के बाद, अब से 8 साल के बाद 8 years from now द रेशियो ऑफ द एज, दोनों के एज का रेशियो अगर निकालते हैं, सो द एज ऑफ अनु इट इज 4x plus 8, and if we find the ratio it with the age of Raj, that is 5x plus 8. If we find the ratio, then it will be 5:6, it means 5 by 6, so their ratio will be 5 by 6. According to the question, 4x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 6, right now. So now what will we do? We'll just reduce it into the simpler form. And how can we do it? We just multiply cross. Here we will do the cross multiplication. Right now we will multiply the numerator of the fraction which is in the left hand side to the denominator of the fraction which is in the right hand side, and again we will multiply the denominator of the fraction which is in the left hand side to the numerator of the fraction which is in the right hand side. Right now, so let's multiply. 4x plus 8 is multiplied with 6, again it is 5 is multiplied with 5x plus 8. Right now, so what will happen in the next step? 6 is first multiplied by 4x, 6 4s are 24x, again 6 is multiplied by 8, 6 8s are 48. Right now, here 5 is first multiplied by 5x, 5 5s are 25x, plus then 5 is multiplied by 8, 5 8s are 40. Right now, so in the next step, if we transpose plus 25 to the left hand side and plus 48 to the right hand side, what will happen? So let's write what is written here. 24x plus 48, 24x plus 48, 24x plus 48 is equal to 25x plus 40. Right now, so if we transpose plus 25x to the left hand side, it will minus, so 24x minus 25x, and if we transpose plus 48 to the right hand side, it will minus 48. Right now, so 24x minus 24x, it is minus x, is equal to 40 minus 48, 48 minus 40 is 8, and we will put the sign of the greater number, that is minus sign. Minus x is equal to minus 8, so x is equal to 8. Right now, here the value of x is equal to 8, but we have to find the present ages of Anu and Raj, which we have taken as 4x and 5x. So the present age of Anu, that is 4x, and the present age of Raj, that is 5x. So we will find 4x and 5x. Right now, so here we will find the present age of Anu, that is equal to 4x, that is equal to 4 into the value of x, that is 8. 4 8s are 32 years, and again the present age of Raj is equal to 5x, is equal to 5 into 8, 5 8s are 40 years. Right now, here we got the answer, that is the present age of Anu is 32 years and the present age of Raj is 40 years. Right now, so students, in this way you can solve the word problems which are based on the equations reducible to linear form. Right now, so here is a homework for you. You have to solve the word problems of exercise 2.6. Right now, thank you.